In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your draft post in Reddit. If you've ever started writing a post on Reddit and then stopped halfway through, you might have used the draft feature without even realizing it. Drafts are really helpful when you want to save your work and come back later, instead of rushing to finish a post in one sitting. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to get back to those unfinished posts so you can keep writing, edit them, or finally share them with the world. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account, because drafts are tied to your profile and won't show up if you're browsing as a guest. Once you're signed in, the key to finding your drafts is to start the process of creating a new post. Look for the button or option that says Create or Create Post. This might appear on the homepage, inside a specific community, or near the top or side of your screen, depending on whether you're using the Reddit website or the app. Go ahead and click on Create. You don't need to actually publish anything here, we're just using this to get to the draft section. When the post creation window or screen opens, you'll see the usual options for writing a title, adding text, images, or links. Somewhere near the top of this area, you should see a tab or link labeled Drafts. It's usually placed above the main text box or near the top navigation inside the post editor. Click on Drafts. As soon as you do, Reddit will show you a list of all the posts you've saved as drafts on your account. This is where you'll find anything you started earlier and decided to save for later. From here, you can select the draft you want to continue working on. Just click on it, and Reddit will reopen that unfinished post, including your title, text, and any other details you had already added. You can now keep writing, make edits, or, if you're ready, choose a community and publish the post. If something looks outdated or you decide you don't need a draft anymore, you can safely ignore it or delete it from this section to keep things organized. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on Create and then opening the Drafts tab above, you can quickly find and